Hi, it's Bridget from A Bridge Over Meandering Waters. I was taking a look at my Extend2Fit recently and comparing it to the Graco product pictures on their website, and I discovered I had not been completing a step with the cup holders. I emailed the Graco tech and she confirmed that there's one more step to be done. What you saw in my unboxing video was I lifted up the fabric on the sides here and here to insert the cup holders. What I was supposed to do after that step, I'm going to lean over here, is pull the fabric down and under, kind of tuck it under the cup holder, much like so. Looks much more finished, don't you think? Alright, so remember, once again, to get the cup holder in, I think I'm having better luck when I pull the extender panel out, partially because that just exposes, pardon me for blocking the camera view, the elastic there. And then this lifts out. Up and over. You don't really need to lift up the whole seat padding, I don't think. I think you just need to lift it up enough to get the cup holder area exposed. Okay. Pardon my fumbling. I apparently haven't had enough coffee today to do this. Alright. There we go. Had to get that last corner out. It was stuck, and it was stuck good. All right. So remember, you're listening for the pop. Now it's not coming out. All right. Slide the fabric over. Go ahead and tuck it under here while you're at this point. There we go. This is the part where it was stuck a few minutes ago, or a moment ago, was this corner right here. See, there's this black right here. Turn on the flash. This black has a sharp corner, so the padding had gotten stuck on it, and that's what I couldn't get under properly. Alright. That's the fastest I've gotten it back on. I'm getting better. Yay! It just goes to show, with practice, everything with this seat just becomes super duper simple. Bye.